Hello everyone, this is Lilith and welcome back to another one of my videos for Altenew. And today I'm going to be using the Leaf Medallion Stamp Set. So throughout the week, just after our release, we are going to be focusing on different stamps and products from this release, and today it is the Leaf Medallion. It is a stamp focus, but I did sneak in the die as well. So I'm going to start with the Leaf Medallion stamp set. It comes with different parts, and you can build it up to create this lovely kind of wreath with the leaves. There are a lot of different possibilities. Just have a look inside the trifold packaging and you will see that there are many more ways of using this lovely set. Now, to create this wreath, I'm going to be using the Tea Party set, which comes in 4 beautiful colors. You've got pink pearl, I think it's called, coral bliss, vineyard berry, and heartbeat. So here I'm just using all 4 of them and working with the different colors until I'm happy with the finished result. Now, when I was stamping one of these inner pieces, I did mess it up a little bit. I added a little bit too much ink, and some of that ink got onto the center, and when I stamped it, it stamped onto my paper. But that's not really a big deal. I'm just going to add that last center part, and then in the end I will cover it up with an enamel dot. But these are things which can happen, and I think it looks quite nice as it is, but I will be popping a little enamel dot onto that. So now that I have got the lovely shape, I'm just going to cut it out. So there is a coordinating die that goes with this leaf set, and it's composed of 2 parts. You have got the outer part and the inner part, and here I'm just using that outer part. So I'm just going to cut that up, and that's going to be like the centerpiece of my layout. So now that I have got my beautiful little wreath, I'm going to create my layout. I'm going to make an 8.5 by 11 layout. I cut out this lovely big rose from one of the pattern papers from the Reflection scrapbook collection, and I'm going to pop that little element on top using some foam dots and my photo, which you can see here. I'm also going to add a couple of flowers which I cut out from some washi tape, and I'm also going to stamp the word capture, which is from the Superscript scrapbook stamp set. This is a lovely large stamp set. You can use it on cards, but it's perfect for scrapbooking. And I'm going to take the darkest color from the Tea Party set and just stamp the word capture onto that. And this stamp set comes with coordinating dies, so I'm just going to pop out the capture die and cut that out as well, and then I can use this as my title. I'm just going to glue that on top and then add my little flowers here, which just add a little bit of detail and also flow. So it draws the eye from the bottom all over way to the top and kind of centers everything onto that photo. I did want to add a little bit of wood, so I thought maybe adding a couple of birds. In the end, I didn't, but I'm going to add a little bit of journaling, and to do this, I'm going to start off by stamping a couple of sentiments, which you can see here, and then I'll add some handwritten journaling. Those sentiments are from the Sweet Friend stamp set, which is one of our older sets, but it's one I use a lot just because I love the sentiments on here and I use them on nearly every layout. So I'm just going to add a couple at the bottom and just one at the top, which I'm going to repeat several times, just using a second and a third stamp, and then I'm going to add a little bit of journaling beneath. And that is it. That will be the finished layout. I hope you enjoyed this process video, and thank you so much for joining me. You can always watch the next video with another idea using the Leaf Medallion set. Have a lovely day, and I'll see you very soon. Bye bye.